Hey guys, this is Angie at Chicken Scratch. I'm going to show you how to place an order on the new Stampin' Up! Store. So right here we have Shop Now. We also have Shop Now here. We have Shop here. And we have Shop on the main page of my website. Let's see, I'm trying to get there. Here we go. Down here at the bottom, Shop Now. Any of these places will work. So I'm going to click on this one right here. Shop here. It's going to take me over to the Stampin' Up! Store. I'm going to click on this hamburger right up here. And you can see that it says you're shopping with Angie Judah down here at the very bottom. Let me click back. So down here you're going to click sign in. Okay. Confirm that you're shopping with me. So click there. I'm going to enter in my password, my email. Okay. So now click here. Go to your information. It says hi, and there's my name, so this shows I'm logged in. Confirm your address and your phone number. Some people's addresses have brought up their old address, so log in, confirm your current information, okay? So now you're ready to shop. So all you have to do is come over here to this magnifying glass and type in the first item number. So I'm going to type in dimensionals and press enter. Here's the dimensionals and press add to cart. Now let's say you don't know the number of what you're needing. You can click on the magnifying glass again, and let's type in have a hoot. Have a hoot bundle is right there, and add to cart. Now let's go over to our shopping cart. So I've got 3 items in my bag, and now you can see right here is where you enter a host code. So you would click the plus sign. Right here is where you would enter your coupon codes. You hit the plus sign. So let's say I want to enter a host code. I'm going to go over to my blog and I'm going to pick up this host code right here. So I'm just going to copy and paste it. Copy. Come back over here and I'm going to paste it. Now remember, if your order is greater than 150, don't use a code because you're giving up your Stampin' Rewards for a small gift from me. Now, this is not going to hold there, that host code. You got to click apply, okay? Same thing for your bonus coupons. Make sure you put them there. The old system would allow you to enter multiples. Our new system will only allow you to enter one, but you can copy and paste them. Okay, so this is what I have in my cart right now. You can see, here's my total, and I'm going to click checkout. And then this is where you're gonna enter your information. So confirm your address is correct. Put your credit card information in. Click continue, and that should be good. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, you need my help, just give me a call. Thanks a lot. Bye.